Today, we're busting the myth that delicious Indian food has to be loaded with dairy. That is why we are making a dairy-free butter chicken that is so rich and so flavorful. You won't even miss the cream. Let's not wait any longer because it's time to whip up some magic.
The sunlight dances on the balcony as I wait for thee to come home. I fumble my words, yeah.
Let's kick things off with the marinade. Grab a mixing bowl and add half cup of avocado oil. Next, the lemon juice. Slice a lemon and squeeze out about 3 tablespoons. Let's add 1 teaspoon of chili powder for seasoning. Now for the earthy flavor, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay, salt and pepper time. 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a quick whisk and we'll set that aside while we prep the chicken. Let's dice 1 kilogram of boneless chicken breast or thigh into 1-inch cubes. Transfer the diced chicken to the bowl of marinade. Give the chicken a good coating with the marinade sauce, ensuring every piece is covered. Then place it in a refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pot over medium-high heat and brown the chicken. Remove the chickens after 5 minutes. It's okay if it's slightly undercooked, as it will continue to cook later. To make the sauce, let's sauté 1.5 cups of chopped onion in a little oil over medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. To enhance the fragrance of the sauce, add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Give it a stir for a minute. Return the brown chicken to the pot and let it cook while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. Let's spice things up with a teaspoon of chili flakes. To enhance the flavor with a subtle tang and deepen the color, pour in half cup of tomato sauce. The next step is to add 1 cup of chicken broth or water for more liquid. Add 2 teaspoons of garam masala, a key ingredient in butter chicken. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Let's grind up about a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in a pestle to enhance their flavor. Fenugreek has a unique flavor, often described as having a hint of maple syrup. And we're going to toss that in a pot. Add another teaspoon of turmeric powder to enhance the color and flavor. Give it a good stir to ensure all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Now reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for 5 minutes. After simmering for 5 minutes, add half cup of coconut cream to thicken the sauce. Give it a good stir and then carefully add salt, tasting as you go. 1 final simmer, covered for 10 more minutes. And there you have it, delicious, dairy-free butter chicken. The coconut cream makes it so rich and creamy, and the spices are just perfect. It's a fantastic alternative to the classic dish, and is perfect for anyone avoiding dairy. Serve it up with some fluffy rice and garnish with fresh green onions or cilantro for a truly satisfying meal. Either way, you're in for a treat. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, Please like and subscribe for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes. And we look forward to seeing you next time.